Hi friends, in this video I am going to demonstrate automatic sending WhatsApp messages using Python and Selenium. This bot mainly helpful to small retailers like kirana shops, small stores, provision stores and small businessmen, startups whenever they wanted to reach out to multiple clients at a time or whenever they wanted to send reminder messages when they wanted to promote their products, when they wanted to give offer to those clients. They can achieve all these things using this bot. They no need to spend single rupee for this. Just they need to have their WhatsApp account and internet connection. That's it. For a moment, let's recall Mahatma Gandhi ji. A man is the sum of his actions, of what he has done, of what he can do, nothing else. Tech stack record for this bot is programming language Python, required libraries are Selenium Validator, Pandas, XLRD, OpenPy Excel, and Chrome WebDriver. This is my repo, VS Body WhatsApp chatbot. In this repo, I have given all the details how we can install those things, how we can run all the stuff. Let's get into execution part of this chatbot. You can see this is the config file. This is the message file. Message file nothing but what exactly message you wanted to publish onto the WhatsApp message. I am storing my file in D drive. That path link I have provided over here, similar to attachment file. What image you wanted to send it over the WhatsApp message in the X file. This is the client data. I'll going to explain you what is client data. This is the broadcast list. This is the seed name which I have mentioned in my Excel sheet, and this is the result where you wanted to store the result. These are all about the configs. And you can see here it is the main programming file. I'm calling some functions from the WhatsApp app model. I've created functions like authenticate. Basically, WhatsApp account has to be authenticated over WebDriver. After that, sending message and send attachment and open client chat, close client chat, and wait till message loads. Wait till file upload checks and validate the URLs. Uh, in this video, I am not concentrating how to write the programming language or how I have defined all these stuffs. You can reach out to me for the all the details or if you need any help over here. Basically, I'm doing this video for the just how we can achieve the things or using Python and Selenium. This is the client data Excel sheet. In this, we need to provide name of the clients or the name of the customers and the corresponding mobile numbers. Using this, I'm going to trigger the messages. This is the message file. What message you wanted to send it to the customers. Just I typed for some messages like greeting from vspoly.in WhatsApp chatbot. vspoly.in is my website. Like I mentioned, like intention of this project, it's mainly designed to help small scale businesses, retailers and startups. Through this you guys can reach out to the thousands of clients and promote and advertise your products on few clicks, that too on 100% free of cost. Friends, let's begin execution. I have added all the required configurations. I started execution. New web browser will open. It will ask for the QR code scan. It is to authenticate the WhatsApp account. Account has been authenticated. You can see this is the URL which I explained in my previous video. I directly logged into the customer account. There I am typing the messages. After message sent, it will add the email attachments. In this example, I am adding the JPEG image. You can add any of the images. It can be video, it can be PDF file, it can be anything. Similar way, I am sending it to second contact. All message has been typed. Same file attachment also done. Now it is turn for third contact. This is how we can do it for any n number of contact. It is free of absolutely free of cost. No need to pay anything. Just you need to have one laptop and internet connection. That's it. See, this is the completion. You can see program has been completed. It took just 93 seconds. It is entirely depend on the size of your messages and size of your image which are you sending. You can see the result in message and status. All message has been sent. You will get it their numbers along with mobile number. This is the send status. I have idea to improvise this entire chatbot. I will come up with a user interface for this, like web application, or I'm even thinking for one small applications. Everything which are going to develop, everything is free for the small retailers and small customers. Thank you, friends. Have a great day. Friends, if you stuck at any point, you can reach out to me through my email ID or my LinkedIn page, or you can through my website. I'm happy to help you. If you don't know anything about Python or Selenium, even though I'm ready to help you in detail, my clear intention is to make technology available at each and every stores of India, each and every corner of the India. Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching my video.